What's up, YouTube? This is John, back with another episode of Engineering Awesome. I know it's been a little while, but I'm back and with a Taig CNC mill. I'll go ahead and give you guys a little update and show you guys a little bit about this Taig CNC mill. Let's get right to it. So this is my Taig CNC mill. Now, why I got the mill is really to give my small business, which is just in the initial stages of starting, a little bit more oomph and a little bit more capability. It's going to allow me to machine some small metals and also wood. So you guys can look for that up on my Etsy shop, which I just started, and I will link that down below so that you guys can just take a quick look if you want to. So the Taig CNC has got full CNC capabilities utilizing a software package called Mach 3. It uses a Gecko G540 controller with 280 ounce stepper motors. Now, you'll know if you've done any research on the Taig CNC that this is not what you get straight from Taig. You get the Taig CNC ready mill, and then you add the 280 ounce motors and the Gecko 540 through a gentleman called Deep Groove 1. Now, with that software package and the mill with everything ready to go, including this small vise and a couple of end mills, a few other small things as well, it comes in right at about $2,000, which is an excellent introductory price for any CNC mill, especially one that is capable of cutting steel. So setting up the Taig CNC mill really isn't that complicated. The manual mill portion of it is incredibly simple. You get the XY table, and then the Z column actually comes in a separate box. There's a bolt that runs through the bottom and a precision ground surface at the back. And then you basically just butt those together and tighten a nut down on it. Now, what that does allow you to do, which is a pretty nice feature, is you're actually able to tilt that Z if you need to do some angled cuts. Now, I don't plan to do that. It is good to have the capability, but I don't plan to do any of that, so I'm just going to lock it down as secure as I can. So after you've got the CNC set up and ready to go, you do have to go through some software configuration, and that is a little bit more of a bear. The Mach 3 system looks a little antique. It works really well, and if you have any experience with other CNCs, you'll know that most of them really do look kind of antique. It works really well. I've been very impressed with the package thus far. I haven't had a whole lot of time to really delve into it, but it works great, and I've been very impressed with it. It does run about 180 bucks. I can link that down below because it does work great for water jets, CNC routers that you build, and other systems. Now, the stuff that comes with the mill right off the bat, such as this vise and the cutters, are really pretty crappy. It's definitely something that gets you started. I've been using that vise to cut wood lately, but I have an upgraded vise here, which I need to machine some hold downs for it, basically, that just go in here. So I'm going to use the vise, and I've already purchased some more tooling. So that is definitely my next project with this. Now, my plan for recording videos on this is really to start a new series almost. It's going to be within this channel, but I hope to split it up and basically build this into a micro machine shop series. So I've got this micro mill. You can kind of see it off to the side. It's a blue box, but that's my small sandblaster. And just outside of the view, you can't see, but I can see a Win metal bandsaw. Now, the metal bandsaw is next on my list. Other than doing some setup stuff on here, I'm going to skip the setup videos and any mill videos until I get the bandsaw put together, because right now I don't have the capability of cutting any metal so that I can make it small enough to fit in my small vise to build the hold downs for this. So to get that capability, I am going to build the Win metal bandsaw first, and I plan to do something a little different, something I've never done before. I'm going to completely build that on camera and just kind of see what happens. So that is one of the most inexpensive but capable bandsaws that I could find on Amazon. So we're definitely going to take a look at that and see what we think about it for the capability of possibly producing some small production runs using it. So what's my goal with all of this? Really, I want to become a manufacturer on my own at some point. So I already produced those Glock blocks and a few other small things on my Etsy shop, and I sell them on eBay as well. You can find links to that on my website and down below. But ultimately, I hope to kind of turn this into a bigger business, adding more mills, adding lathes, adding lasers, and kind of document that process. And so right now, I am starting with kind of a smaller setup, and I figure that this kind of setup might be something that everybody else is interested in, because this is stuff that basically anybody can go out and buy for a project that they need. So that's kind of what we're going to do with the Micro Machine Shop series. So with everything that I'm trying to accomplish with my small business and frankly this YouTube channel, I actually did just have kind of a big win. My Amazon affiliate account just got approved, which means that if you guys like something that I'm doing, like this vise, the Gecko G540 setup, or Mach 3, then you guys can click that link, and if you purchase it through Amazon, then I get a small commission. Now, this doesn't translate to anything added to you guys, so you don't get any additional cost. You just use the link, and then I get a small kickback, which will allow me to basically continue tooling up my small business and provide more content. So if I can get that kind of moving, then I'll be able to do more reviews on stuff like the bandsaw, this vise, other things that might help you guys with your own small adventures. So I definitely appreciate anything you guys purchase through my links. It definitely is hugely appreciated and hugely helpful. So why has it taken me so long to get a video done? Well, as you guys know, I do work a lot. Now, work has cut overtime, so that will definitely help me out with doing some of this stuff. But I also do a little bit of 3D modeling on the side to kind of help out some friends and to kind of do some work for clients on my own. And I'm also running this YouTube channel, and then I'm also running that shop. So I've got kind of a lot on my plate, so it's been taking me a little longer than I'd like for it to do these videos. And I had to build this setup, and I had to set this up and get everything prepped and ready to go to start doing these videos. So I do apologize for how long it's taken me, but I am back in the game, and I'm hoping to catch up by doing a video or two probably every night. So definitely pay attention to that if you guys are interested in that series. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure that you hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing, especially for more Micro Machine Shop content. And definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys are interested in seeing. I've got that metal bandsaw coming up. If you guys are interested, I'm going to do a video on the sandblaster, and I'm definitely going to do a ton of videos on this. So make sure that you guys let me know what you guys want to see. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time on Engineering Awesome.